Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Daphne, and today I have an exciting review. This just came in the mail today. MACGRATH Mega Celestial Divinity eyeshadow palette. And if you want to know my review on this palette, then keep on watching. Alright, so MACGRATH released their holiday collection, and I was so excited, and I ordered it on the 25th of September, and it is the first 18 pan eyeshadow palette from MACGRATH, featuring a couture constellations of 6 new shades and 12 shades from the Star Wars limited edition eyeshadow palette. So there is a comeback of some of the shadows from that collection, and since this is my first time owning a MACGRATH palette, I will not be able to give a comparison of this palette among other MACGRATH eyeshadow palettes. So definitely all of the shades are gonna be new to me. It took about a week or more than a week to get here, and I bought it for $78 with a 10% discount, making my order down to $76.52 with tax, and which makes it a really good deal for me, especially for me who's just wanting to try MACGRATH eyeshadows, like their formulation. Beauty Deals BFF on Instagram also uploaded a comparison. He broke down the price per ounce of the MACGRATH 18 pan Mega Celestial Divinity palette, and also the regular MACGRATH 10 pan eyeshadow palette. So I believe she outdid herself on this one, making the Mega Celestial Divinity palette worth a try. So, however, as she mentioned, there is a comeback of the 12 shades from the other two collection, the Star Wars collection. To have this, then definitely it wouldn't offer as much for you, but for me, it does. So all of these shades are really new to me. This is really my first time to have a big MACGRATH eyeshadow palette. I haven't tried any of the formula yet, so I'm so excited to try this. Came in this box. This is the packaging, or cardboard. The shadow palette is weighing 19.8 grams or 0.69 ounces in total. And then you just open this and you will get the palette. Packaging is also made out of cardboard. Actually feel like when you open a regular 10 pan eyeshadow palette from MACGRATH, like how luxurious it feels, because it's made out of, you know, like a hard plastic, you know, it's just like luxurious. But with this one, it's just a cardboard. Though when you open this palette, you be mesmerized with all of these colors. Like, they are stunning. Like, I've never seen some of these colors before. Like, this is out of this world. And it has a large mirror, which is a plus, so I can do my makeup easily. It has some weight to it, you know, and it's definitely thin. It's easy to carry, it's easy to travel with, compact. Yep. And for $78 with 18 eyeshadows, like, you can definitely create a lot of looks from this one. It still looks sturdy. Then at the back, you will see like the name of the shades. Now let's move on with the swatches. First shade is Saturnalia, Bronze Nebula, Major Mahogany, Lunar Champagne, Violet Void, and Gold Standard. Okay, for the second row, let's start from the left. The first shade is Venomous Void, Odyssey, Fuchsia Shock, Megabyte, Bronze,
an electron. Third row, first shadow is Cosmic, Smoked Amethyst, Dragonfly, Venusian Orchid, Galactic Gold, and Corruption.
Alright, so we're done with the swatches. So I'm gonna try to make a look or two looks.
So for our first look, I am using Venusian Orchid. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it is the matte mid-tone pink on the palette. So I'm using this on my crease as our transition color and blowing it above my crease because I do have hooded eyes. To deepen our crease, I am using Venomous Void, which is a mid-tone magenta matte. And I am just deepening the crease with that shade. Already cut my crease, and the next shade that we are gonna apply on our eyelid is Cosmic, which is a duochrome diamond sparkle pink. I'm just applying it with a shader brush. Then I'm just blending out the outer corners and we are done with this look. Now moving on to our second look, I'm really drawn to this shade. This is the Smoked Amethyst. It's swatched perfectly, like just one swipe goodness. So it is described as blackened aubergine with pink sparkle. Sorry, I can't pronounce words. And I'm just applying it with my fingers. As you can see that purple reflex, or she said it's pink, but in person it's purple. And then I'm just blending it out with a Venomous Void and Venusian Orchid. And we are also done with our second look, and I'm just reapplying the Smoked Amethyst with the brush because we lost some of that color when we are blending the shadow. And that is it for our look. I'm just gonna put my lashes on and finish my look, and I'll be back.
Alright guys, so these are the looks that I've created with the MACGRATH Celestial Divinity palette. So we do have our day look, or if you prefer it to be day look, and then we do have the night look, or something glamorous. Yeah, and I love the shimmers. So the matte, when I swatched it, it's like, it's not swatching nicely, but then when you blend it out, it's easy to blend on the eyes. So when you apply it on the eyes, it's smooth, it blends easily, it blends on its own. That's the matte that I'm looking for. So I don't care if it did not swatch perfectly, but it did blend out very nice. Shimmers, you can apply them with your fingers, you can dampen your brush and then just apply it. But so far I'm liking it. I believe this is a wonderful palette. It's perfect for beginners because it has a lot of colors. You can create a lot of looks. You can actually just use one eyeshadow or one metallic eyeshadow, apply it all over your eyes, and you're good to go. So this is indeed worth $78. You're getting 18 wonderful pigmented eyeshadows. It has a mix of shimmers, metallic eyeshadows that can provide you a lot of different looks. It has jewel tones, some neutrals, and very gleaming metallic eyeshadows. So it also has a large mirror, so you can travel with this palette. It's also travel friendly. It's very compact, and I'm definitely getting my money's worth. I can create a lot of looks from just one mega palette, and I think I'm gonna be holding on to this palette for a long time. I'm gonna get enough use out of it because it has a lot of colors. Instead of like spending $100, you know, with the regular 10 eyeshadows, which I don't usually have, when I get to try Pat McGrath's formula for just 78 bucks for 18 shades. I'm a makeup hoarder. I wanted to spend my money in the best possible way that could provide me all the things that I want in just one purchase, and this is it. This is a yes for me. So yeah, this is their holiday collection for 2020. I hope you guys are able to grab this for yourself. If you're a makeup hoarder like me, this is a must buy. So I love it. So yeah, so that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and of course I'm still gonna create a lot of looks from this palette, so just stay tuned for that. And if you wanted to support me, just like this video, comment down below if you purchased this palette, and subscribe to my channel for more makeup and beauty reviews. And I'll see you again next time. Have a good one, everyone. Bye.